Now we are going to see about NLC, GET, or A questions which contains non-technical. Okay, let's move on the topic. Now the first question is find the HCF of 246 and 354 and 480. HCF means highly common factor. Now we are going to see about L division. We all know about this L division. This method will be very helpful for this question. Now we solve the question. We will take L division for 246. Let's see. 2 table. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Now again, 3 table. 4 3s are 12, 1 3 is 3. So the factors of 246 is 2, 3 and 41. Next we see about 354. Let's take L division for 354. First 2 table 2, 1 2s are 2, remaining 1, 7 2s are 14 and remaining 1, 7 2s are 14. Then 3 table, 5 3s are 15, remaining 2, then 9 3s are 27. So the factors of 354 is 2, 3 and 59. Now see about 480. Take L division for 480. 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 0. Again 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 0. Again 2, 6 2s are 12 and 0. Again 2, 3 2s are 6 and 0, 2, 15. Then 3 table, 5. So now the factors of 480 is 5 times of 2 and 3 and 5. So HCF, highly common factor, was 2 here, here, here and 3 there, there, there. So 2 and 3 is the common factors of these 3 digits. These 3 numbers. So the HCF of the given question is 2 into 3. The answer will be 6. That's it. Okay. Let's move on to second question. The second question was simplification. Simplification. 43 plus 0.731 divided by 0.03. This is the second question, simplification method. Now we add these numbers. So 43 plus 0.731. This will be 43.0731 divided by 0.03. Let's see the friends. Here numerator will be 43.0731. I'm sorry, 43.731. Here 0.731. Here 43. So 43 plus 0.731 will be 43.731. Here the numerator is only 0.03. Here the point after 2 digits are there. So we remove this denominator in the stead of 0.03. So now we multiply by 100 both denominator and numerator. So we will get what the answer? 4373.1 divided by 100. Let's see friends. Now the denominator will be, here 3. Because 0.03 into 100 is equal to This is 3. So here will be 3. Here the denominator consists of only 3. But the numerator there is 1 point after the digit. So let me multiply by 10 and 10. 43731 divided by 3. Now we have to another method. So the answer will be, let's see this method. The answer will be 43731 divided by 30. 3 into 10, 30. So let me cancel it. 10 3s are 30. 1 3s are 3. Remaining 1. 4 3s are 12. Remaining 1. 5 3s are 15. Remaining 2. 7 3s are 21. Remaining 2. And 7 3s are 21. Remaining 2. Here 1 4 5 7 7 divided by 10. Here the denominator is 10. So now we write this number is 1457.7 by 1. That is the answer. Because now we have 1 0. So we have put point in before one digit. If we have 100, we put point in before the 2 digits here. Now we have 10, so here the point. So the answer is 1457.7. Now the third question is, what is the remainder? What is the remainder when 153 into 154 into 155 is divided by 16? This is very important question. If we multiply by these 3 numbers, we will get more time. So now we have to do 153 divided by 16. 153 divided by 16 is equal to, and 154 divided by 16 is equal to, then 155 divided by 16 is equal to. So 153 divided by 16. What will be the answer? 16 into 9s are 6 9s are 54. Remaining 5. 1 9s are 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So 16 into 9s are 9 16s are 144. So 116 is 16. 9 16s are 144. Remaining 11. So here 113. Now 16 into 7s are 6 6 are 76, 7 6 are 42. Remaining 4. 1 7s are 7. 1 1 2. So 7 16s are 112. 7 16s are 112. Here 1113. Here 1113. 7 16s are 112. Remainder 1. So now we write 1. Again 1154. Here also 16 into 9s are 144. Again remainder 11. So 114. 114. Again 16 into 7s are 112. Remaining here 114. 16 into 7s are 112. The remainder will be 2. So here the remainder will be 2. Again these are the sequence number 153, 154 and 1000 something 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So here 1 is remainder, again 4 is 4 for 2 remainder, and for 5 the remainder will be 3. We can check it now. 16 into 9s are again 144. Remainder will be 11. So here 115. Again 16 sevens are 112. So the remainder will be 3. Here 3. So the remainder of this numbers, this number will be 1 into 2 into 3. So the answer will be 16. Sorry, 6. This is the answer. 6. Now next question. The question number is 4. Next number of the sequence. The sequence is 2, 9, 28, 65, 126, and what is the next number? Here 2, 9, 28, 65, 126. What is the next number of the sequence? It is assumed that what will be 2 and 3 cube. This will be this coming under 4 table, this coming under 5 table. So what will be the answer? Let us assume 2. This is comes under 1 cube plus 1 is equal to 2. Next 2 cube plus 1. This will be 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Next 3 cube plus 1. This will be 3, 27 plus 1 is equal to 28. Then 4 cube plus 1 is equal to 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. Next 5 cube plus 1. This will be 125 plus 1 is equal to 126. Next 6 cube plus 1. The order will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and cube is common. So 6 cube plus 1 is equal to 216 plus 1 is equal to 217. This is the answer. The answer is 217. This is the assumption. This is the answer for this question. 217. We should know the cube form of the numbers up to minimum 30. The next question is, if condition, if 2 by 3, then 6x divided by 5 minus 1 by 4 is equal to plus 1 by 3 is equal to 9x by 5. This is the answer. Sorry, this is the question. Here x is equal to what? What is the value of x? Let me solve the question. First we simplify this bracket. Okay. Now cross multiplication. So 2 by 3 into 6 into 4 are 24x and 1 5 are 5. Here the minus symbol divided by 5 4s are 20 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 9x by 5. Let me simplify. We have to multiply this term. So 2 into 24, 48x minus 2 into 5, 10 divided by 3 into 20, 60 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 9x by 5. Let we have the LCM for this 60. So 48x minus 10 plus here 3. We multiply 3 by 20, we get 60. So denominator also we have multiplied by 60. So 1 into 60, 60 divided by 60 is equal to, sorry, we have to multiply by 20. So denominator also we have to multiply by 20 only. So 1 into 20, 20. Here 9x by 5. And the answer will be 48x minus 11. Here minus 10 plus 20. What will be the answer? Plus 10. Plus 10 because biggest number is 20. So 20 minus 10, 10. The symbol will be plus because biggest number is 20. 20 symbol is plus. So plus 10 divided by 60 is equal to 9x by 5. Let me cross multiply this time. So 5 into 48x plus 10 is equal to 9x into 60. So 48 into x. What will be the answer? 48 into 5. The answer will be 240x plus 10 into 5, 50 is equal to 9 6 are 54. So 54x. Now let me take this 246 term is opposite term of the equal. So 50 is equal to 540x minus 240x. So the answer will be 50 is equal to 540x minus 250 will be the 300x. So 0 0 cancel. 1 5s are 5 and 6 5s are 30. So 1 is equal to 60x. So x is equal to 1 by x. The answer will be 1 by 6. This is very important question. Now, next question is find the unit digit. Find the unit digit in the product of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 19. Unit digit means some 4-digit number 4961. Here the unit digit is, this is unit digit. For the sum we have to find unit digit of the product of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 19. So let the product of means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into up to into 19 is equal to some number. So what is the unit digit of this number? Let us assume 2 5. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. So another numbers are there 1, 3, 4 up to 19. Let me assume any number which is multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. So here 10. Any number we can multiply by this 10, we have the final answer will be means final digit of this number is 0 because we have 10. For example, this number will be, this product will be is some number, for example 135. The answer will be 1350. So any number which is multiplied by the 0, we get the unit digit of this number is 0. So the answer will be 0. Just very simple question. Most important. The next question is 4 boys. This is based on the time and work. Time and work basis problem. 4 boys and 3 girls plus 3 girls can do a work in 6 days. Can do a work in 6 days and 5 boys, 6 girls work together. They finish it in 4 days. And how many days will a girl alone will take to do the work? So one girl, how many days to do the work? How many days will a girl alone will take to do the work? Now 4 boys and 3 girls do the work in 6 days. Then again 5 boys plus 6 girls do the same work in 4 days. So one girl will take how many days for do the same work? Now we move on to the problem. The solution is 4 boys plus 3 girls into 6 is equal to 5 boys plus 6 girls into 4. Okay, let me multiply this number. 6 4s are 24 and 6 3s are 18g is equal to 5b. 5 4s are 20 and 6 4s are 24. So let us assume here, let's take 24b. We move on this 20b is this side. So minus 20b is equal to 24g. We move on 18g on another side. So here plus 18, now it will be 18g. So here 24 minus 20, 4b plus 24 minus 18, it will be, here is equal to 6. So 6g. So here b is equal to 6 by 4g. Here now we apply this b in 24b 18g or 20b plus 24g, either. So let me apply b value to this term. 24 here I will go 24. The b value is 6 by 4g. 6 by 4g plus 18g. Plus 18g is equal to what? So 24. 1 4s are 4. 6 4s are 1 4s are 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 6 are 36g plus 18g. Here 36 plus 18 will be 54g. here. So G is equal to 1 by 54. So the one girl will take 54 days for do the same work in 54 days. Next question is, if your watch is being sold at, that means selling price. If your watch is being sold at rupees 7225, if your watch is being sold at 7225, which is marked at rupees 8500, then what is the discount at which the watch is being sold? If your watch is being sold at rupees 7225, which is marked at rupees 8500, then what is the discount in percentage at which the watch is being sold? Here the watch, this is marked as 8500, but the shopkeeper will sell the watch in the rupees of 7225. So what is the discount in percentage? This is the question. Let us assume if we take 8500, the marked price of this watch is 8500. Let me take, this is the 100% of this watch. The selling price 7225. This is what percent? This is the discount. This is the discount value because the marked price is 8500. Let me take, this is the 100%. The discount will be what? So the watch will be sold at 7225. We have to cross multiplication, which means 8500 into some value, take it as x, divided by 7225 into 100. Here 0, 0, 0, 0. Now let me cancel this. It will be take. Sorry, we have another method here also. We have to find this value. So yes, we can write as 8500 into x divided by 7225 into 100. Let me cancel this 0, 00, this 00. Now we have to know about this value x. So x is equal to what? X is equal to, in the case of, we have to rewrite this. This form will be 7225 into 85. This is x is equal to what will become? 7225 is equal to this. Here comes divided by 85. So here, now we simplify. 1 5s are 5, remaining 3. 7 5s are 35. Here 1 5s are 5, remaining 2. 4 5s are 20, remaining 2. 4 5s are 20, remaining 2. 5 5s are 15. Next, then 17 into 5s are 85. Here, then what will be the answer will be 1 sevens are 7. Sorry, I am 117. 117 into 17. 117s are 17 here. 8 into 17. Here the will be answer will be 85. So x will be 85. Here the marked price 100% is 8500, means then 7225 is more discounted. So 7225 is 85%. So the discount 7225 is 85% only. So the discount is 100 minus 85 is equal to 50. So the answer is 15%. If you see another problem, that's it.